Imagine a society where the idea of ownership has quietly faded away, not through force, but through abundance. A future where life is so effortless, so graceful, that claiming space feels unnecessary, because space is everywhere, and it welcomes you without cost, paperwork, or permission. In this world, you don't have a home. You simply live, and wherever you are becomes home for as long as you need it. A civilization without scarcity. Once upon a time, human life was built around struggle. We worked to pay rent, to own land, to secure food, to survive competition. But when technology reached the point where creation became limitless, manufacturing became autonomous, energy became free, and infrastructure became self-healing, scarcity evaporated. Cities no longer need owners. Products no longer need buyers. Resources no longer need rationing. You walk into any living pod, rest, work, think, dream, then move on. The system quietly resets behind you, ready for the next traveler, like nature's own rhythm. Housing without having. There are no mortgages, no leases, not even a my room. Instead, there are infinite spaces tailored to your momentary emotional and physical needs. Need space that finds you. Silence, a floating capsule overlooking a mirror-like sea. Connection, a shared innovation hall filled with thinkers and creators. Renewal, a rejuvenation chamber inside a garden-grown arcology. Inspiration, architecture shaped in real time by your thoughts. You don't own them, you align with them. A world run by itself. This future doesn't need employees to keep it running. Infrastructure takes care of itself. Roads that auto-heal. Farms tended by precise biomechanical ecosystems. Water cycles digitally stabilized and purified at source. Buildings that clean, repair, and optimize themselves. 3D printed micro-cities that assemble and disassemble as people come and go. Humans are no longer machines disguised as people. Machines now handle the mechanic. Humans return to being visionaries. Work is not survival, it is exploration. With survival automated, contribution transforms. You don't work to live. You contribute to deepen existence. Human effort shifts from maintenance to meaning. The only domain left where humanity is essential is imagination, discovery, and invention, the things that cannot be automated because they begin in curiosity. Research is no longer a field, it is everyday life. Children grow into explorers, not employees. A person wakes up not to job descriptions, but questions. What new thing can I dream today? What boundary has not yet been pushed? What can I become, now that my time is truly my own? AI is a seamless partner in creation. In this world, AI is not a rival or a replacement, it is a companion to human ambition. You conceive the idea. AI engineers the reality. You dream the structure. AI prints the city. You imagine the world. AI manifests the blueprint. No resistance. No bureaucracy. No delay between thought and expression. The universe of possibility shrinks from someday into now. Belonging without possession. When everything is accessible, ownership becomes irrelevant. When everything is abundant, fear disappears. When your needs are permanently fulfilled, identity is no longer tied to property. Your sense of home becomes wherever you are growing, wherever you are learning, wherever you are evolving. Home becomes a state of being, not a physical coordinate. And so, in this utopia, living lightly is not sacrifice, it is freedom. You don't need a home because the world itself is your home. You don't need to own anything because everything is already in reach. You don't cling to spaces because every space exists to serve your next moment of becoming. Here, life is not spent surviving. It is spent becoming more human than ever before. A civilization where people no longer fight over land, but collaborate over ideas. Where walls stop dividing us because walls are no longer needed. Where intelligence, both human and artificial, weaves a future of pure possibility. And this simple truth defines the new era. The less you own, the more infinite your world becomes.